Mini CNC Router 6090. Item specifics. Brand name Attack. CNC or not CNC. Model number, AKM 6093D work. Condition new. Model, AKM 6090. Spindle motor, 1.5 kW spindle motor. Control system, Mach 3 control system, USB interface. Guide rail, high-wind linear guide rail. Transmission, ball screw transmission. Drive motor, LED shine stepper motor. Software type 3, ArtCom, UCANCOM. Table surface T-slot table with PVC. Working size: 600 x 900 150 mm. Max. Working speed, 8,000 mm per minute. PVC, aluminum, iron, copper, stone cutting machine. Mini CNC Router 6090 1.5 kW water cooling for 3D work. Machine configurations. Cast iron structure. Number 600 x 900 150 mm. T-slot table with PVC sheet, vacuum table is option. Number 1.5 kW water cooling spindle, 2.2 kW or 3.0 kW water cooling spindle motor is options. Air cooling model. Ball screw transmission. Taiwan square linear guide rail. Mach 3 control system, DSP control is options. Stepper motor and driver. Folding inverter. Tool sensor. ArtCam, Type 3 software. Standard toolbox. Thanks for watching. More details check in the description.